Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to reset Microsoft Outlook to its default settings in 2025. Whether you're dealing with annoying glitches, slow performance, or just want a clean slate, resetting can be a game changer. This process is simple and only takes a few minutes, but remember to back up any important emails or data first to avoid losing anything valuable. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to reset. Once it's open, head to the top menu and click on File. In the File menu, look for Options or Account Settings. This might vary slightly depending on your version, but in 2025, it should be pretty intuitive. Next, in the Options window, navigate to the General tab. Here, you'll find a section for Reset or Restore Defaults. Click on that, and Outlook will prompt you to confirm the action. Be cautious. This will reset all your custom settings, like themes, signatures, and layouts, back to factory defaults. If you're ready, hit Yes or Confirm. After that, Outlook might need to restart. Once it's back up, check if everything looks normal. Your emails and accounts should still be there, but any personalized tweaks will be gone. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your computer or checking for updates in the Microsoft Store. And that's it. Resetting Microsoft Outlook is a quick fix for many problems, helping you get back to productivity without hassle. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.